This is a bachelor suite located in the MacDonald Estates at 9925 Jasper Avenue. Starting at the entrance, there is a bifolding door closet on the immediate left. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. On the right is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled bathtub, and shower. The vanity features 2 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Across from the bathroom is the kitchen. The galley kitchen with a peninsula includes a white fridge, stainless steel sink, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. Directly ahead of the entrance is the bed and living area. On the back wall, there are 3 large glass windows with window coverings. On the immediate right, there are 3 bifolding door closets.